Hey everyone, today we will be going over how to replace the front pump and the middle pump on your Active 2.3. Tools you will need: a number 5 Allen key plus torque set, flathead screwdriver. Before we get started, make sure the unit is not plugged in. Let's get started. Step 1. With the cage attached. Begin by rotating the cage. Ensure that the motor side is positioned at the bottom, while the pump faces upward. Without the cage attached, position the unit so that it stands upright on its motor side, with the pump facing upward. Step 2. Utilize a flathead screwdriver to carefully remove the micro switch pin. This action will release it from the brass pump. Step 3. Utilize a number 5 Allen key to carefully remove the first layer of screws. Doing so will allow you to remove the front pump and the middle pump. Step 4. Check all the gaskets, O-rings, and seals. If there are any signs of damage, replace immediately. Contact support at activeproducts.com to order replacement parts. Step 5. Align the new middle pump and the new front pump in their designated positions. Step 6. Make sure the front pump is placed in its proper orientation. Use a number 5 Allen key and a torque set to tighten the screws in a cross pattern. Ensuring proper torque is crucial to ensure that everything is locked and sealed, but also this prevents over-threading your screw. Step 7. Carefully place the microswitch back into its designated position. Ensure that the pin locks securely to prevent any unintended movement. You have successfully changed the front pump, middle pump, and the piston support set on your Active 2.3. If you need further assistance with Active 2.3, please don't hesitate to write to us at support@activeproducts.com, and we would love to help you.